Once again, welcome you all to your own YouTube channel Parshupedia. So here we are going to discuss about an issue which we face in OBS Studio, which I had also faced, and my channel is not related to tech, but this was an issue faced by me, so I thought of bringing into light for everyone. So without wasting any time, let us begin with the issue which we face on OBS Studio. In OBS Studio, you are not able to record the screen as it is showing black, and which is not allowing you to either record window capture device or a display capture device. So let us start with the issues which we were facing earlier, and I will also show what were the techniques shown by other YouTuber and which were not helpful to me. So let us start with the video. So here you can see that we are not able to find a display capture device, or we are not able to display our screen as the display capture device is showing totally black to us. So let us try to use the first technique. First we will go to our graphic setting, which we can go by doing right click and display setting, and we can see in display setting there is a graphic setting. We will click on this, and if we go, we had already installed OBS Studio by browsing it from desktop app, and if you see, we had already take to a power saving usage, and if we see, there is no change in the screen. It is as it was showing earlier. So we close this app, and again come on the desktop screen of our computer, and we will try to go through the second method. You can see that in compatibility mode I had already selected Windows 7 and run as administrator, but even after that the issue is still unresolved, and you can see that the screen is still blank. This was the two methods which I have found. Now, what was a trial and error? I would like to demonstrate that. First, we will go to start button and do right click, and we can go and select device manager here. You can see the screen open here, and on this we will go and check display adapter, and you can find two options here. In many of the system you will find only one option. If you do not have a graphic card, it will show your system's internal display. So in our system there are two. One is our graphic card, and another is the our internal own adapter. Both are of AMD Radeon. I don't know why it is not reading my internal graphic card. So if I am doing disable to the internal display adapter, so then also the issue is unresolved. So now what I will do, I will again enable it and leave as it is. Now when I will disable my graphic card, you can see our display panel is again active. Once again, I am again enabling the graphic card. Again my display will go as soon as my system get refreshed, but as soon as I disable my graphic card, you can see again my display capture device is active, and you can use your OBS screen at your best from here on. So I think you might have got the solution for the black screen which you are facing. I don't know why this issue is coming, even though the internal graphic card is present in my system. It is not the external, and there are no two graphic card, but I don't know. But this solution might help you in a coming time if you also face this black screen issue with OBS. Hopefully you liked my video, and if you like my video, please do like, share and subscribe, and share it to the maximum people so that they can also use. Many other tutors might also be facing this kind of issue, so this might be helpful for them also. And this was one of the off track video which we placed on our channel. But if you like our other videos to be also made in English language, you can comment and let me know whether you want all my current affairs videos also in English language, so that it can be useful for other people also. Thank you, and we will meet in another video very soon.